Dude!
Oh my god! Dude! Pioneer's gonna kill us! Oh my god, I can't believe it! Oh wait, no, this is the RX1.
There's the RX2.
Let's get crunk! Let's get crunk!
I'm so alone.
I'm so alone.
Oh man, these are heavy. Hey guys, DJ Ravine here.
And this is DJ COTTS.
And we have the Pioneer DJ XDJ-RX2.
Yep, and the XDJ-RX original right here.
So what do you think so far about the RX2? Because I have already used it numerous times.
It's my first time seeing the RX2 today, actually, and to me, it looks like more of a club standard setup. Well, I had to do a gig out at the clubs once where they had one of these units, and to be honest, I struggled a little bit to find my way around the unit quickly, whereas looking at this, there's no less buttons than this one. However, it feels a lot more laid out nicely. But pretty much first impressions, as I said, is more club standard layout. Everything's where I expected to be on this mixer, and you could turn up to the club and use this one, and everything's where you want it to be.
Alright, let's go take a look at the XDJ-RX2 close up.
Let's get crunk!
Okay.
So one thing I should also say about the RX and the RX2 is the build quality is impressive. Yeah.
You better hope an RX3 doesn't come out.
Ravine and I had the opportunity to take a hammer to a broken RX earlier in the day, and it took quite a few hammer hits, as you could see, and these jog wheels, after hitting them with a hammer pretty hard about 3 times, actually still worked perfectly, which was
and
impressive.
You pulled a number on the screen as well.
Yeah, the screen took a beating as well,
Yeah,
so in terms of you destroying this through daily use, I think this will really hold up.
Yeah, for sure. What if one day you're doing a gig, you're a mobile DJ, you know, you just did a house party, and you're taking it back to your car, and then a mugger comes with a hammer.
Exactly.
You can use this as a shield and be reasonably protected.
Yes, that's true, actually. You're well protected.
Okay, so now that we have the XDJ-RX2 right in front of us, let's actually nitpick and see what actually has changed.
So, as we pointed out earlier, the browse menu is the biggest thing for me, up in the top right-hand corner instead of in the middle of the unit.
Well, what they actually say is that this has Nexus DNA in it.
Oh, exactly. It was inseminated.
It was inseminated. It also does come with the buttons that surround the browse knob.
Yep, and that allows us to use 2 new features, which is track tagging and track filtering. For more information on this feature, definitely check out our video on the Pioneer DJ website, and link is in the description box below or right here.
On his nipple. It's even got the screen. It's now a touch screen. You can touch that thing.
Which is awesome. Yeah,
so good.
You're not going to break that.
Yep, exactly. And you've also got the mixer part is inherited from the Nexus as well.
Yep.
And also the same big fat knobs.
I prefer the old ones personally, but that's just me. Like, I prefer the thin knobs.
Well, you're wrong.
You know what? Okay. You know one thing that pisses me off though?
What?
Why did they get rid of Crush?
Crush is an effect that I use all the time.
Yeah, me too. And who uses Sweep? Sweep is the diseased cousin of Filter. Why would you put that in instead of Crush?
Yeah, but they've arranged the buttons nicely, unlike...
And looks nice. Parameter.
Yes.
Parameter. It doesn't have that on the RX1. The RX1 is off camera, and I can see right there it does not have a knob. On the beat effects side of things, I think it's pretty much the same.
Isn't changed. Hang on. Let me read out the different beat effects from left to right.
Okay.
Okay, so from left,
Yeah.
I got delay,
Yeah.
echo,
Yes.
spiral,
Yes.
reverb,
Yes.
trans,
Yes.
flanger,
Yeah.
pitch,
Yeah.
roll.
Yeah. Exactly the same.
Well, that's kind of sad.
I would have liked the slip roll is my favourite thing in the world. Jeez. You're full of gas.
I'm full of gas.
Well, that's better than it coming out the other end, I guess. Here, back in the hotel, and we have all our gear to do filming. Pioneer gave me another bag. Yay! Yay! Yay!
So the RX2 has, of course, the amazing RGB pads, and 8 of them too.
Yeah, and they're so much nicer. You can use them for hot cue sampling, slip loops, beat jumps, like you could on the RX, but these feel a whole lot better. No plastic clicky, these are all rubber pads and RGB as well. They're really nice to use, and you can do some really cool like finger drumming and effects.
You know when you said that slip roll is your favourite effect?
Yeah.
Well look, you got slip loop.
Oh, okay. Yeah, which can achieve pretty much the same thing.
Aside from that, okay, I'm going to read out what is on the RX1.
Okay.
On these pad modes.
Yep.
Okay, the first one, the hot cue.
Yep.
Auto beat loop.
Oh, this one just says beat loop.
And then we've got loop slice.
No, this is slip loop.
And then we've got shift.
No, this is beat jump. What is beat jump exactly for? It actually works really well.
Okay, so it's basically like a quantized fast forward. You know what I'm glad that they didn't take out?
What?
And it's my favourite feature of the XDJ-RX1?
What?
Master record.
Oh, it's so. This is the best thing about these players. Basically, you can plug a USB key in, and this has got 2 USB ports, so you can play music off one USB. But on the other USB, you can record your set. So you just pretty much hit the master record button up in the top of the player, and it will record your entire set straight to the USB. So you don't even need to bring a pocket recorder along to the club, which I've been doing for years.
The best thing about it is that, you know, you just plug in a USB key, and even if you're playing off that USB, you can record into it at the same time.
Hands down, best thing about the player.
Better than the fact that it runs record box.
Actually, better than the fact that it represents amazing value and you get Nexus features at a household consumer awesome price.
I would pay twice the amount of money to get my mixer to record master out.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Yeah.
Let's keep it in perspective.
You know what this is actually great for? People that want to be club DJs or want to DJ in clubs, this is the perfect entry level point.
Yeah, exactly. Because you can get used to all the club gear with the same layout, and then go into the club and understand everything that's going on.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, basically, these are just like sized down CDJ-2000 Nexus 2s.
Yeah, pretty much. If this was out when I was basically buying gear again, I wouldn't probably have the Nexus gear.
Okay, look. We've been DJing for a really long time.
I know, we're old men.
Yeah, and when we started DJing, they didn't even have USB. We were DJing with CDs. We had to bring CD wallets. Okay?
I know, and I know there's a lot of people out there screaming at your screens going, well, I had to bring vinyls, and props to you.
Yeah, but you know what? You're fucking old. And you know what? Remember, the original CDJs did not even have CD text. So
they didn't. That was really annoying.
Yeah, you didn't know what the name of the song that you were playing.
Yeah.
You had to actually write down on a piece of paper or on the CD itself, number 1, the track is by who and who.
So what's the price difference between the RX and the RX2, do you know?
The RX1 is now discontinued.
Jeez, wow. So what's the retail of the RX2 cost?
Well, I actually wrote an article on DJ Tech Tools, and the RRP is $1,699 US.
Which is ridiculous.
Considering the fact a full setup like this, like a DJM 900 Nexus 2 and 2 CDJ 2000 Nexus 2s, you're looking at upwards of like $7,000 US.
This represents such good value for money compared to getting the club standard setup.
I know someone watching this video right now is complaining, and they're like, Pioneer, did you know that DJ Tiesto uses denim now? Yeah, because they paid him a lot of money.
Do we get paid? We're sitting in a hotel room with beers and Cheetos.
We don't get paid. We do this because we enjoy doing this. And we enjoy drinking beer and talking about DJ gear. So, all in all, you know what? I think fantastic unit. Great value for money. And if you're a beginner DJ, and even if you're a pro DJ, this is the perfect gear for you.
Yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. It's got all the features plus more, I think, than the actual top-of-the-line Nexus 2 gear. And it feels solid, as we've demonstrated with hammers.
Yeah.
You can't go past it.
You know what? That's fine. You've done a good job with that. And
great job.
Salute. So we're gonna destroy this one too, or what's going on? Well, thanks for watching that video. I know that video is like 2 months late because I kinda had to go through 2 hours of me and COTTS getting wasted, sitting in front of a camera in a hotel room, just talking crap about DJ. Anyway, shout out to all my Patreons, including Josh Pittman, Damiano Bucero, DJ SB Huexus, Erica, Lloyd, BJ, Shara, Andrews, Sky, Dazza, Carlos, MCD, my girlfriend Koi for giving me a buck, Peter, Ferdaus, Anna, Also, shout out to all the Discord gang. Check out the link down below. Join it. It's free. I'm on it sometimes, and we can talk about DJing maybe. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe to COTTS as well. Also, check out my vlog that I'm posting up every week on Point Blank Music School's channel. That is something different, actually. If you like music at all, and you want to learn how to DJ, learn how to make music, go and check that out. You'll learn a lot. Anyways, guys, see you guys next time. That's it from me, DJ Ravine, out. Oh, and the Mega Mix is coming soon. Don't worry about it. It's going to be on Twitch, so follow me on Twitch.